Now that our greeting text is set up, it's time to put together our main menu. From your Yakbot dashboard, click on the Messenger bot tab in the left sidebar menu. Next, click on the action arrow under Bot Settings. From here, click Persistent Menu Settings. Next, click the Create Persistent Menu button. From here, give your menu a title. To keep this video short, we will link to an external website, but you can also choose to keep your user in Messenger if you like. Once your menu is completed, click on the Submit button. Next, click on the Publish Persistent menu to make it live on Facebook. Let's now see how it looks. I think I will have to refresh. Hold 1 sec. As you can see, our menu is now live. That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.